Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this holiday look, perfect for Christmas or New Year's, more so for Christmas Eve or Christmas Day. I'm going to be doing more holiday Christmas looks coming up, so stay tuned for that, and don't forget to hit the notification button for that because you never know when it's going to be up. So I'm going to teach you how to create this look step by step. It's fairly easy, fairly simple. You only need one palette or two, possibly three. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure that you share this video with your family and friends if you enjoyed it, and I'd really appreciate it. So I love you guys, and let's jump right in. Woo! I am in the mood today. Guys, if you guys happen to hear the heater, if I turn the heater off, I'm going to freeze to death. So I'm sorry you hear that noise, but we're just going to continue with the video. My hair is not the way I wanted it to look, but I guess at the end I'll just fix it. So this look is perfect for the holidays. If you guys want to slay this Christmas, you have to watch this video. So the palette that I'm going to be using today is the Morphe by Jaclyn Hill palette. And it's the Dark Magic from the Vogue collection. And look at these colors. I want to intensify it with a little bit of black shadow, but in order to intensify it, I want to be able to kind of do both at the same time, if that makes sense, so I don't intensify one more than the other. To prime the eyes, I'm using the NARS concealer in the color Vanilla. Holy moly, this concealer has been used and abused. I've had this for a while now, and it's lasted me for a long time. The shadows came out very, very pigmented, and I just spat all over my screen. We are going to apply the product, and very softly. We're not going into circular motions like that. We're not going to apply it like we're not going to swipe it. We're just going to dab using the Nikki Tutorials and Mitchell's technique. First color we're going to be going into is I'm going to use a little bit of it. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to sculpt the eye. Just relax the eye, and then that is going to be the area where you sculpt and transition. I forgot to tell you what brush I'm using. This is my favorite blending brush, especially for my kind of eyes because I have very hollow eyes. I'm using the Luxie 231 small tapered blending brush. It's the best. Using that same brush, I'm going to be going in with Potion. What's this method called? Stamping. That's the word Nikki Tutorial uses, and that's the word that stuck with me. So you're just going to stamp the eyeshadow. Okay, so now that you have that shadow placed, you're using that same brush without any product or additional product. You're gonna go ahead and start blending the top of it, and I'm using basically like the tip of the brush. I'm using inside job using the same method. If you have my kind of hooded eyes, you're just going to stamp it in the middle of the eye, look down, and then raise your eyes again, and then start blending. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use inside job, that same color, and I'm going to mix Temptress. We're going to be going in with that same concealer to cut the eye. Stamping motions. I'm going in with inside job, and I'm applying it on the outer part of the eye. Now you're going in with it's so cold. Oh my god, I'm dying. I'm using this little tiny motor brush, and I'm going in with Potion, blending outwards. Using Temptress, you're gonna go above that crease line. I'm going in with a very, very small brush, and I'm going to use Power Cut, which is such a beautiful color. And I'm going in with Catrice Ultimate Chrome Eyeshadow Palette Collection thingy. I'm going in with this shadow right here. I don't know what it's called, but it's got a touch of mint, a touch of green in there. And you're just gonna go over that eyeshadow. For the glitter, I'm almost out because I dropped it, but these little packets, they sell at Walmart. I think I got them for like $3 for like a pack of 30. And this is basically what I'm gonna do. Y'all ready? Just gonna go in with the brush. I'm dying, it is so cold. I'm getting rid of all the excess glitter. For primer, I'm going in with this new Smashbox. I don't think it's new, but it says it's a new look. Technically, it's new. Let's use it. Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur. Okay, I'm going in with the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the color Natural. For concealer, I'm going in with Nude using the Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer and Contour. I'm gonna set my my under eyes using the CoverGirl translucent powder. I'm not gonna put a lot, I'm just putting a little bit of it. We're going in with the Hoola bronzer to add some color back into our face. Bronzer, I'm going in with the Benefit California. Did I say bronzer? I'm sorry. You're going in with that blush. For mascara, I'm going in with the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. Ow. If the lashes look wonky, this is the best I can do in this kind of weather. It's way too cold for me to be down here. We're going in with Potion. Apply that underneath the water line. I'm going in with this Ofra highlighter, and it's the Ofra All the Lights highlighter. So I got this PR package from Pop Beauty, and I kind of want to use the lipsticks that they have. Oh my god, I hope they don't fall. Isn't this so cute? It's like a giant lipstick package. And they have all these beautiful colors. And I think I'm gonna go in with a very nude color because the eyes are very, very bright. I'm using this one here. It's called Marvelous Mauve. Ooh, that's a really cool name. Oh my god, it smells so good. Okay, and as a topper, I'm going in with this Jouer lip topper in the color Champagne Gold. Ooh, that is pretty. Alright guys, oh my god, I think that's it. If you guys recreate this look, please let me know in the comment section below and redirect me to your Instagrams and I'll check them out. Also, follow me on Instagram, Snapchat. I do have a Facebook. I'm constantly on Facebook, so also check me out on there. I will be uploading once a week, twice a week. We're gonna shoot for twice a week. There's no reason why I shouldn't upload twice a week, so please make sure you come back to my channel. Make sure that you share this video with your friends and family. I really appreciate it, and I think that's it. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys very soon, I promise.